Bigla pong sumabog. Pumutok ang Bulkang Kanlaon kanina pong alas 3:03 ng hapon. Ayon po sa PHIVOLCS, kasabay ng explosive eruption ang pagbuga ng usok na may kasamang abo sa taas na 3 kilometro mula sa crater ng bulkan. Kasunod po nito ay nakita naman ang ashfall sa kanluran, timog kanlurang bahagi ng Bulkang Kanlaon. Dahil po dito ay agad na itinaas sa Alert Level 3 ang kondisyon ng Bulkang Kanlaon na nangahulugan na meron itong magmatic unrest sa ngayon.
Because I believe that there is a message behind this volcanic event. Maybe hindi lang ito nakatuon sa probinsya. Maybe merong particular message dun sa mga tao in Negros Island kung anong kinakaharap nilang issue doon. But pangkalatan, generally, sa buong Pilipinas, I think we have to change ourselves. Okay. Good morning sa ating mga ka-adventure, sa ating mga ka-YouTube and ka-misteryo. Gusto ko lang bigyan ng emphasis yung possible message itong eruption, explosive eruption ng Bulkang Kanlaon in Negros Island. Actually, di lang ito masyadong pinapansin ng karamihan. Pero kung nasa field ka ng numerology, sa metaphysics, and you're very sensitive sa energies, malalaman ninyo kung bakit, ano ang dahilan. Ayan. Ako, I believe personally na walang ibig sabihin kayo may mga activities na ganyan, meron siyang gusto ipahiwatig sa atin. I-consider natin na lahat ay buhay, especially pag ito'y nature. Yung mga bundok ay buhay, yung mga plants, lupa ay buhay, merong mga spirit dyan, especially kaya tinawag natin kay Mother Nature, sa ating kalikasan ay Mother Nature, because she is alive, meron siyang spirit, and siya yung nag-aaruga sa atin. And itong mga bulkan, mga river, lupa, tubig, hangin ay all part of Mother Nature. Now, sa mga ganyang mga event or activity, especially mga volcanic activity, ako personally, I believe na meron silang gustong sabihin sa atin. Alright. Yung mga bagyo, meron din gustong sabihin sa atin eh. Hindi lang natin ma-decipher kung paano natin ma-decipher yan. But if you're very sensitive and you can tune in to the energies of this nature, at least maintindihan mo. Now, sige, to make this discussion short, very short lang naman discussion to, no? I believe yung eruption, yung explosive eruption ng Kanlaon Volcano Negros, meron siyang particular na message. Okay, ito na yan. So, kung titingnan natin dun sa report ng Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology of PHIVOLCS, ito, I hope nakikita ninyo sa ating window. Hindi yata. Andali. Paano ba to? Anyway, itataas ko na lang para makita ninyo. So at least makikita yung dalawang rito. Okay. Dali iuurong ko lang. Here we go. Yan. Okay. Yun. Yan. Alright. Ayan. Pero sandali, parang hindi swak eh. Okay. And this one here. Papasok ko lang. Para nakikita ninyo. Yun. Okay. So, this happened, ano na ngayon kasi, December 10 na ngayon. 2:34 a.m. December 10. Nangyari to kahapon. So, nangyari to kahapon around 3:03 p.m. Okay, kikita nyo yan. 3:03 p.m. So, ito nga yan, 3:03 p.m. Dito pa lang, obviously, makikita natin yung message niya eh. Tapos, susundan mo ng 3,000 meters. Ito yung ibinuga niyang plume. It's a combination of smoke, ash, any volcanic debris. So, makikita natin dito, it's number 3, 3, and 3. So, it's 333. Now, in metaphysics, meron tayong tinatawag na synchronicity, yung alignment of all numbers. And also, meron din tayong tinatawag na angelic numbers. Now, we can focus on angelic numbers. What are these angelic numbers? So, tingnan natin. If we believe 333 is an angelic number, so we have to search about that, kung ano yung meaning niya. Ano lang to actually yung meaning is general meaning to based sa internet. Actually, madali na nga ngayon mag-research sa internet eh. Mag-type ka lang. Alright, so 333 angelic number. Okay. Dito mo naman makikita ang ang usage ng AI. Di ba? Sa ganito about information. Nasa astrology.com. Tingnan nyo. Di ba? Kita nyo naman eh. Sa astrology. Ayan. Alright. Now, what are the meanings of angel number 333? Ito kinuha natin dun sa 3 p.m. 3.03 the hour of 3:03 minutes, right? Napatay yung 3 na 3,000. Okay, so sabi, angel number 333 is a manifestation number. Diba yan? Diba? It is a manifestation number. It is a reminder that you have the ability to attract abundance and prosperity into your life with your thoughts. So, very positive yan. Now, paano natin i-relate dun sa message na gustong sabihin ng Canlaon Volcano? Alright. Seeing angel number 3 repeatedly is a sign that the universe is trying to communicate with you. The angels want you to pay attention to your thoughts. Okay. So, first and foremost, it's important to understand the numerology meaning of angel number 3. The number is a powerful combination of the number 3, which represents creativity, self-expression, manifestation. Triple number sequences like 333 amplify the energy and significance of the number 3. Ito yung sa astrology, no? So, hindi pa natin nakukuha. Hindi ko pa na-feel doon ang meaning nung angel number 333. Okay. So, ito. It's a sign of encouragement, assistance from the angels. So, it means that your prayers are being answered, that you are on the right path of spiritual growth. Angel number 333 also symbolizes connection, love, protection, creativity, joy, self-expression. This message to work with your spirit guides and trust your intuition. Okay, so sa palagay nyo, yun na ba yung meaning? Ako, personally, hindi pa. sa pangkalahatan, ano ba talaga meaning niya sa pangkalahatan? So, i-research natin. May binabanggit na the angels are in your midst to help and assure you of your plan that lies ahead. Alright, not this one. Alright, tingnan natin mabuti dito. Assistance, gravity, very napaka-general yung meaning. Okay. Now, if you want to interpret angel number 333 based on that Canlaon volcano eruption, parang ginigising tayo ng Canlaon sa ating kasalukuyang sitwasyon, no? O sa ating kasalukuyang situation in the Philippines. Parang binabanggit na sandali at titingnan ko rito yung maring meaning na gustong sabihin sa atin ng Canlaon. Okay, so what is that? Ito na. This one. Ito, recent lang to. It's November 20, 2024. What does angel number 333 mean? Angel number 333 reveals a time of spiritual awakening, balance, self-expression, and self-belief. It is a powerful symbol of change, magbago, and new beginnings. So, sa pangkalahatan, para sinasabi sa atin ng Canlaon volcano na we have to change. Maybe to change our mindset, to change what we are doing right now into a better one, di ba? Meaning, kung ano yung situation natin kinakaharap in the Philippines, we have to change that. Not necessarily we have to change the leadership of who is leading the country, but I think we have to change our mindset sa sarili natin. Di ba? So we have to move forward. Of course, I understand na iba-iba naman talaga interpretation ng tao kung ano yung meaning sa sarili. But here, I'm trying to tell you kung ano yung maaaring general meaning nitong 333 based doon sa gustong ipahiwatig ng Canlaon volcano. Alright? Because I believe that there is a message behind this volcanic event. Maybe hindi lang ito nakatuon sa probinsya. Maybe merong particular message dun sa mga tao in Negros Island kung anong kinakaharap nilang issue doon. But pangkalahatan, generally, sa buong Pilipinas, I think we have to change ourselves. Spiritual awakening. Very interesting to spiritual awakening. So, mag-self-analysis tayo. Tingnan natin sarili natin. Balance. Baka nagkakaroon na tayo ng imbalance sa Pilipinas. Right? Self-expression. Maaaring di na tayo nakapag-express sarili natin. Maybe to share our thoughts sa mga leaders natin. And also self-belief. Wala tayong masyadong expression of our belief. Alright? That's all for now. Okay? Very quick discussion about this. I hope this could help us all. And maybe very strong kasi yung message based dun sa kitang-kita alas 3 ng hapon, 3 minutes, then 3,000, that's 333. Now, if we can also use numerology dun sa petsa, it's December 9, tama ba? December 9, 2024, di ba? Kahapon yun. So, December is 12, then 9. So, if we add that, 9, 10, 11, 11, 1, 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, another number 3. Di ba? Ayun. So, lumalabas. 4 na number 3 ngayon gusto ipahiwatig sa atin, no? Di ba? Alright? That's it. Ano na naman to? Personal na opinion ko lang. Whether you believe it or not, it's okay lang sa akin. That's my own interpretation of that volcanic eruption. Itong Canlaon volcano in Negros Island. Ginigising niya tayo. sa atin natutulog na kamalayan ngayon. So, gusto niya sabihin na, "Hoy, gumising naman kayo. Ano ba ginagawa ninyo? Nag-aaway-away kayo politically. Routine na yung ginagawa ninyo. So, you have to change. Change your mindset, change your outlook, ano yung pananaw natin sa buhay." That's only my own personal opinion. Bahala na po kayo. If you have your own opinion about this, then you can share, you can post your comments sa comment section. We can discuss it. Okay? Salamat. And stay safe always. See you.